Welcome to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make honey pesto. It's the sauce I used earlier in the week on the salted watermelon. So stay tuned and I'll be showing you how to make that right away. Alright, honey pesto is a simple sauce I kind of infused and made it into a different thing. It's basically a pesto with just a little honey added. So what I like to use is some of the basil that's already starting to go bad in our kitchen. That way you have a use for it. So what I do, I just take the basil, pick it from the stems, and put it in my Vitamix. You can do this pretty simple. You know, you don't have to be perfect at it. You can throw some stems in there. It's not going to change your sauce at all. So once all the basil's in there, which is about 2 cups, roughly, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of pine nuts, a 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. You can use any type of Parmesan. I like to use a little bit more of a saltier one. That way I don't have to add too much salt. 4 garlic cloves. 1 cup of pure virgin olive oil. About a 1/4 cup of honey. As you can see, I pulled the honey from the microwave. The honey at my house gets a little tense because we don't use it that much. So then at this point, you know, I just microwave it a little bit just to liquefy it again. So a little trick. So like I said, all you need is about a 1/4 cup. Right there. I'm gonna add just a little pinch of kosher salt. Then I'm gonna turn my Vitamix on. At this point, it's done. I'm just gonna pour it into a bowl so you can see the color. It's bright green, gorgeous. So if you were thinking because of the basil being a little old that it would change the color of your pesto, it won't. So there you go. That's the honey pesto. Very easy. I use it a lot in salads and in different preparations. Now for a couple little tips. On pesto. Pesto, to hold it is very easy. You can either jar it and keep it in your refrigerator, or what I like to do sometimes too is take like an ice cube dish, pour it in there, and then freeze them. That way it'll make like little ice cubes of pesto. So anytime you need it for like a quick pasta dish, you pop one out, throw it in the pasta, and there you go, there's your pesto. It keeps the color nice and green, and it's easy to keep on using so you don't waste it. If you just put this in the fridge like this, uncovered, it would last you maybe 2 weeks until it started changing colors. But if you freeze it or jar it, you'll get a lot longer life out of it. So there you go, very simple, very few ingredients just to make a little quick honey pesto. If you have any questions, please leave us some comments down below. Please hit subscribe and stay tuned next week for another episode of Quick Clean Eats. Thank you, bye.